Hey guys, Dorothy here with another episode of Bushcraft or Bullshit. Today we're collecting rain in bottles that you might find around in a survival situation. So water bottles, 2 liters, that kind of thing. I've already got a couple made up and this is kind of how they're going to look. And you're basically just going to prop them in some dirt or sand or something like that that you have so that they stay up in a rain, and this could work really well. So let's check it out. I'm gonna demo it on this 2 liter and we'll just see how this works. So just a couple of things about the bottles. The thin plastic one that I did was a lot easier than the thick plastic to cut with my knife. This one's pretty easy too. And I'm hoping that since the 2 liter doesn't really have any ridges, that maybe this will work a little better, because these water bottles, they have some ridges in there and that might deter the water a little bit from getting into the base where we want it. So the next thing you're going to do after you cut the bottom off is we're going to cut slits just like that. And you want to make them pretty small so that it fans out like these. So creasing it just a little bit helps it fan out a little more. And you want to make sure it's fanned out. It's kind of the whole point. All right, beautiful. Bury the cap in there. I've got it on the mist setting, which I think would be more like your typical rain than just spraying them down with the hose. It's working pretty well. Might take a little while, but they're definitely collecting rain in there. So one problem that I'm seeing with this so far is that we just had like a slight breeze and it looked like it was going to tip over. One of them was, at least. So a problem that this could present is if you're in a rainstorm and there's winds and stuff, this might not work as well as just in a light drizzle. I think that's probably good. We've definitely collected quite a bit of rain. This one didn't really collect as much, and I'm not sure if that's because of the ridges that are on here. That, you know, it's a really thick plastic, and these ridges might have deterred some of the drops from coming in. But this cheap plastic water bottle seemed to do okay, and the 2 liter definitely got quite a bit in there. You know, it's bigger, it's fuller, you've got more area for the drops to come down and get into where you're collecting the water. So this is a bushcraft skill that definitely works, and I hope that you enjoyed. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel to see more, and leave comments below for other hacks that you would like to see us test, and thanks for watching.